The doorknob caught your pocket, huh? You've been caught by me many times before. I'm just now making my presence known. I'm very, very hungry. The grease and food particles that you leave on my doorknob are very tasty. But I'm in a mood to eat you now. A human.
Oh my God, let me go! Let me go, man, let me go! Let me go! Let me go, please let me go! Please! Please!
Struggling is useless. The more you struggle, the tighter my grip gets.
Bro, let me go, please, man, please! I can make you a steak, well done, medium rare, bloody, anything, man, anything you want, man. I'll make you a steak or something, please. Please, man.
Why eat a little piece of meat like that when I have you right in front of me?
No, no, please, please, no, please, please, no, please get off me, please. Yo, you good? Yo.
I just heard you up here, man. Where you at? You're not in that closet, man.
Yo! What the hell?
See, your friend here just popped in the wrong place at the wrong time. And I was just hungry. Very hungry. I couldn't help myself.
Bro, he swallowed me. I'm in the door. Help me, please. He swallowed me whole. He swallowed me whole. I'm in the door. Help me, please, bro. Please.
In fact, I'm still hungry. And I want to eat you now. There's nowhere to run either. We're about 10 stories up, so there's no escaping through the window. The only way to get out is through me. And you can't do that, because I'm just gonna eat you. Where you going? There's no escape. What are you doing? Wait.
We can make a deal. It doesn't have to end like this. It doesn't have to end this way, please. Hold on, wait. Just think about this. Just think about this.